Yo, what's going on? This is Eric Caney. Oh, I screwed that up. Yo, what's going on, my homies? This is Eric Caney Productions here. And I've come to you with a little bit of a really expensive video. Well, for me at least. My wallet does feel lighter and I don't have much money. I barely had the money to pay for this. But at the end of the last video, I started asking, what could this be? You can probably see it's a game of some sort, but what game could it be? You can probably tell through the bag on what it is. But if you can't, here it is. I got this right here. Here it is. Oh yes, the Grade 8 edition. NHL 21, baby. And I am opening this thing up on camera because last year, for the last year's game, I got NHL 20, the digital deluxe edition, so I wasn't really able to do a video. But I also ended up getting NHL 18 from a friend of mine. So a new unboxing knife. This is part 3 of my triple upload day, by the ways. Now, I'm just kind of thinking of doing these kinds of things at random, like just on random days whenever I feel like doing 3 videos and hoping that they turn out. So, but here it is. Here it is. And I didn't even look at the back yet. Oh, that looks cool. That right there looks freaking awesome. Oh yes. New mode, Hot Rush, is new. I've watched Nasher's video with Don't Be Sod 20, where he literally scored 3 goals, and on his 3rd goal he's like, what? Why is there more than 3 people on the ice? And then he realized he won. So oh yes, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wait, what? Save 10% on Ultimate Team content and more. Unlock exclusive content and rewards. Get unlimited access to a library of top titles. Ooh, join now at eaplay.com. No thank you. As much as I would like that. Now, here's my thing. It's my digital my Grade 8 edition content download. Now, I'm not going to show the other side because that's the side that the code is on. And I don't want no one stealing my codes or I'm going to come after you. I know what you're doing. But yes. There's the CD. Now, I didn't even upload any videos of NHL 20 yet. I will try and get to it as fast as I can, as best as I can, when I can. And when I, I'll probably do some either this week or around Halloween. I'll do a bunch more videos, probably. And I'll be making a return to a game, a mobile game that I have maybe about 5 videos on that I unlocked everything in like 2 days on, not even. Oh yes, for those of you who've known my channel long enough and have been subscribed to this channel since pretty much the beginning, know what video game this is. That's right, Zombieville USA 2 will be making a return for Halloween only this year. Not on Halloween, but around the time of Halloween. Because I miss playing that game now, and I want to do another video on it. And so I got it on my S10 here now, but I don't have everything unlocked, so I don't know. Well, the thing is that I had it on my old Grand Prime, is when I originally, is the phone I had that game on originally. So my phone keeps sliding away from me. Come on. Sorry about this, guys. This is so unprofessional. But my phone keeps sliding on me. That'll have to do. And I'm thinking on doing a bit of a bonus footage if I can get this thing to work, but I got, oh yes, got a Game Boy game, baby. There's a real good close-up at this thing. Bit of bonus footage to show you how good this screen really is compared to. I also have some photos of this thing next, like just the opening screen next to my brother's Game Boy. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I don't know, because I just probably shouldn't. This thing keeps sliding anyways on me. Anyways, if you guys like this video, I hope you did. Hit that like button. If you didn't, the dislike button's there for you as well. Hit subscribe. Like I said, I'm not forcing you to, but if you want to, feel free by all means. It's free to subscribe, obviously. So, this has been Eric Kenny Productions, end of part 3 for the triple upload day. Signing off. Peace!